Finance is often hard to understand and feels boring for many people. But the real issue isn't finance itself. Is the way information is presented. When complex topics are explained in a simple, visual, and engaging format, then they instantly become easier to understand and far more interesting. That's why many finance channels today are growing so fast. They focus on a strong character branding and animated storytelling instead of long, boring explanations. For example, Nick Invest uses a Family Guy style character as a part of its branding, making investing and money topics feel entertaining, simple, and relatable. When you solve a real problem using the right format, content naturally starts going viral. Just like climate economics with hand-drawn character and fun visuals, turn complex finance topics into easy, engaging stories. And the best part is starting a channel like this doesn't require anything complicated. All you need is a fun character that becomes your channel's brand and easy to understand finance topics. So in this review, we'll go through the entire process step by step so you can see exactly how to build your own AI assisted finance channel. So let's get started. So to create a channel like this, the first thing I'll do is to give GPT this prompt. Basically in this prompt, you just need to enter your video title and video length and GPT will automatically generate a ready to use 5 scene script for you. In this script, each scene is already structured. First, the hook which starts short and funny or surprising. Then the problem situation where the topic is explained using simple and relatable examples. Next, the explanation, which provides easy to understand and visual examples. Then, the moral or a tip, giving a practical takeaway. And finally, the CTA, a short call to action like asking viewers to like, subscribe, or follow. This script comes in a friendly, fun, and slightly sarcastic tone with short sentences and daily life examples, making the video engaging and easy to understand. You just need to enter the topic and land, and the AI will create the full script for you, ready to use directly into your video. So now I'll enter my video title, for example, what is inflation, and set the video length, let's say 59 seconds. You can see that AI has automatically prepared the full 5 scene script. So now that our script is ready, the next step is generating images. So for this, I'll give GPT prompt for image generations where I'll select my main character, for example, a brown calculator. This part is very important. Whenever you use an image generation prompt, you must mention your character clearly. If you want the same character to appear in every scene and maintain a consistent visual style, you need to provide a proper character description to the AI. Based on this description, GPT will prepare consistent hand-drawn style image prompts for each scene, which we can then generate and directly use in our video. So if you don't mention the character, the AI may generate a different or generic character in each scene and the image style won't match. This is why defining your character is essential to keep the visuals consistent throughout the video. So now that we have all the image prompts ready, the next step depends on what you want to do. If you want to use still images, that's completely fine. The video can be created using just images. If you want to add animation, that's also fine, but it requires one extra step. You'll need to give GPT an animation prompt. After providing this prompt, GPT will generate video animation prompts that include each scene's description, the character's action, and a small animations such as blinking, sliding, popping, or zooming. So now all our prompts are ready. First, we'll generate images. So I already have my calculator character image prepared. You can easily generate any character you want using an image generation tool. So I'll use my character as a reference and upload it into Nano Banana. So the AI can generate scene-wise images based on the same character and maintain visual consistency throughout the video. First, I'll go to Google Gemini, select Nano Banana, upload my character, and enter the first image generation prompt. This way, you can see that I'm getting images for the story based on this character. Similarly, I'll enter all my image generation prompts one by one. As you can see, this is giving us very consistent images where the character appears in every scene with the same style and look. This keeps the video's flow and visual continuity smooth and makes editing much easier. So now the next step is optional. If you want to create animations, follow this step. Otherwise, if you just want to use still images to make your video, you can download all the generated images and use them directly into the video. So animation is optional. You can make the video with still images and this process is ready. So if you want to add animation, for that, we'll use Grok AI. Simply go to the website, click Imagine, upload your first image and enter your first video animation prompt. Once you do this, you will see how amazing the AI generated animation is. The character stays consistent, the actions are smooth, and the visual flow is maintained in every scene. So I'll generate all my videos the same way, and once they are done, I'll download them. So now that all our images and animations are ready, we move to the next step, which is voiceover. So for the voiceover, I'm using 11 labs. First, click on text to speech, then paste your script, select your desired voice, and generate the voice. The AI will give you two options: download whichever generated voice you like. And after this, the audio for our video will also be ready. So now comes our final step, which is editing. So today I'm using Filmora. Here you can see that all the generated images or animations and the voiceover are uploaded. First, I'll import the voiceover into the timeline. I'm keeping the video aspect ratio at 9:16 because I generated all my videos in this ratio. Then I'll arrange all the images or animation according to the voiceover so that the final video is perfectly synced and smooth. Now, a common question is, can AI generated videos be monetized? So, simple answer is yes, but if you add your own value, you can make the AI content human valued and increase the chances of monetization. During editing, you can add things like using your own voice to make the video more personal and engaging, background music and sound effects to enhance the mood of each scene, custom captions and on screen text to highlight important points, extra animations and transitions like fade, zoom, slide, and pan. AI images might already be animated, but adding these movements yourself make the video more dynamic. Additional examples and visual emphasis like arrows, circles, highlights, and pop ups to make information clear and engaging. In short, AI provides the base content, but our creativity and personal touch make the video unique, engaging, and monetizable. So, my example video is ready. Let's quickly see the final result.
Ever notice your candy costs more than last year? Nope, it's not you. It's called inflation. Imagine you have $10. Last year, that bought 10 candies. This year, only 8. Same money, less candy. Ouch. Inflation happens when prices go up over time. Your money stays the same, but things get more expensive. Think of it like a balloon. Prices stretch bigger, but your dollars don't. To beat inflation, save smart or invest. Don't let your money lose its power. Like this tip? Hit and subscribe for more money hacks even a kid can get.
See how simple it was to create the video, scripts, images, animations, and personal touches already. You can also add your creativity and a personal touch to make your video unique and engaging. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment to tell me which topic you would like to see next. And if you want to learn how to create a faceless channel under the niche, click on this video to see the full guide. So see you in the next video. Take care.